Hey, what's up? Let's talk about men and porn for a minute. What's going on with guys who surf so much porn? Or why do they like porn? Well, on the surface, it looks like guys just like to objectify women and just want sex. That's what it looks like. But most men that struggle with porn are dealing with something else. And it's not about sex, and it's not about positions or how sexy a woman is or any of that. He's after two things. He's after feeling high from all the dopamine and hormones he's getting through that experience, and he's wanting relief. Those are the two primary things a man is after when he's using porn. And why is that? Because he feels disconnected from himself. He feels stressed. He feels burdened. He feels emotionally constipated. He feels completely challenged in some areas of his life. And one of the ways he seeks relief is to get high and to get a release, which is to ejaculate. It's pretty straightforward. Any guy who disagrees with me is, I would just coach him and kind of get underneath the surface level attraction to porn. And it's like, no, dude, this is probably about you just wanting to get high and have a release. And because you're so fucking stressed in your life and you're so in so much pain that you aren't willing to face or deal with. That's the other thing, is because men are trained from a young age to disconnect from relationships and to value themselves over relationships and to disconnect from their heart and their emotions and their sensitivity because it's too much, they are tied up in knots. And so then they have these raging hormones in late adolescence that they don't know what to do with. So when they get high by surfing porn and then ejaculating, it feels good just for a minute, seconds even. And then he's back to his depression, his anxiety, and the rest of his miserable life or painful life that he's not dealing with and addressing correctly. So sadly, porn is a major distraction for a man to make actually a journey to become a powerful human being and a connected person that can actually do intimacy and relationships better. So guys, if you're listening to this, the work is to get connected to yourself, feel your pain, and learn how to be with your discomfort and all the stress that's going on in your life, and have that increase your capacity there. Porn will become way less seductive and interesting if you can do that, if you can inhabit yourself.